everyone, it's me Sylvia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something really amazing kit with you guys. So as we all know that Christmas is around the corner and I can't wait to get into salons and do parlor sesh. You really need extra time and also appointments which I cannot do it. So I thought that why not to prep up my skin at home conveniently and hassle free. I have received a DIY kit from Indus Valley, which is their skin slash face detoxifying scrub pack, which is right over here. And so this pack has 5 combo packs in it. Isn't that so cool? Also inside this you get a recipe book to make your DIY so conveniently, like anybody can do it. You don't have to go to the salons and beauticians to waste your time over there. You can do your DIY sessions at home up to 20 applications. Also, they have 26 DIY range products. I want to try it on camera and let's see how it is. But before that, I want to show you what's inside this combo pack. So let's go.
This is the kit. Let's go inside it. So first of all, I found this recipe book which is very useful. You can find your hair care and your skincare DIY pack. Next up I have Sandalwood face powder, which makes your skin look flawless and reduce sunburn and refreshes your skin. Next up I have 100% natural activated charcoal powder, which is really great for exfoliations, cleansing and scrubbing. It has a fine texture which gives smoother application and also uplifts the complexion, removes dullness, breakouts, fine lines and wrinkles. Next up I have Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth. Helps to reduce the secretion of excess oil and gives you a healthy glow to your skin. It is great for exfoliation and gives you youthful and vibrant look. Next up I have Aloe Vera Gel with green tea extract, which is non-toxic and lightweight. Next up I have pure peppermint essential oil, which relieves stress, maintains natural glow, purifies irritated skin. Last but not the least, I have original calamine clay powder, which tones the skin, helps to remove dark spots and pigmentation, soothes active acne. Now let's go through the booklet. Now I will take the Multani Mitti powder. Take 1 spoon of every powder. Next, sandalwood face pack powder. And last, activated wood charcoal powder. Love the quantity they have actually given, so I will take the original calamine powder and I will take 1 scoop of it. Next up I will take 2 scoop of aloe vera gel into it to get that thick consistency. Also it will make my face look flawless. Adding 2 drops of peppermint essential oil into it. Now I will mix them properly unless and until I get a honey-like consistency. You can also add rose water or normal water into it to get this type of consistency. Love the earthy aroma in this powder. I really like DIY things because you can do it at your home. Love the smell of peppermint oil, and also I felt a cooling sensation because of peppermint. So it has dried out and you can see now I have washed my face and look at the glow. It is flawless. I can feel the smooth texture on my skin. Like it is superb. The blackheads were gone and really stopped touching my face. After removing the pack, I have applied moisturizer.
So in my personal opinion, I do have sensitive skin issues, but it didn't cause me any irritation or redness to my face. Mostly I do DIYs and I take care of my skin very well. It just made my skin look so smooth, like I can feel it. After applying, I am giving my personal honest review to you guys. My face has, like, I'm on my bare face right now after applying that DIY face pack, and it looks super duper clean, and also I felt like it made my skin look flawless and very smooth texture. Also, I can feel that it has removed my tan. Love the packaging. It wasn't spilling anywhere. It is value for money. It's just rupees 420, 3 rupees only. Really like the quantity. The best part about is they have booklet in it. You can use your DIY according to your skin issues. Even for hair care also, they have so many DIYs in that, so you must check it out, their hair care product. You can get your hands on skincare DIYs as well. If you are a beginner, also if your skin is sensitive and you don't want to go to parlors, then this one it is. You can do it at home conveniently. No appointment, nothing like that. This is 100% original, authentic. You must check out their wide range. All the product details and the links I will give in the description down below. Please check it out for sure. I hope you really liked watching this video. If it did, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed me yet. Also hit the bell icon to never miss any videos. So yeah, until next time, Silver signing off. Take care, stay safe, have a great day and bye.